In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Textsplit function in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the Split tab. This is the sheet where the example data is already set up, and you should see a table that contains names. In this case, the names are combined in a single cell, and we're going to use the Textsplit function to separate that text into different parts. This is especially useful when you want to split first names and last names into separate columns without doing it manually. Once you're on the correct sheet, take a look at the table so you can identify the cell that contains the full name you want to split. The goal here is to tell Excel exactly where the text is and what character is being used to separate the parts of that text. In this example, the names are separated by a comma, so that comma will be used as the delimiter in the formula. Now click into an empty cell where you want the split results to appear. This is important because the Textsplit function returns multiple values, and Excel will place them into neighboring cells automatically. In that empty cell, type equals Textsplit, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter your data reference. In this example, the reference is cell B4, so at this point, your formula should begin with equals text, split, open parenthesis B4. Next, add a comma, then quotation marks. Inside those quotation marks, type the delimiter. In this example, the delimiter is a comma, because that is the character separating the names in the original cell. This tells Excel where it should split the text. When you're done, the formula should include the cell reference and the delimiter in quotes. Now close the formula with a closing parenthesis. Once you press Enter, Excel will immediately split the contents of that cell and place the separated values into adjacent cells. So instead of seeing the full name together in one cell, you'll now see the parts broken apart based on the comma. This is a fast and efficient way to clean up text data in Excel, especially when information is consistently separated by the same character. If your data uses a different separator, such as a space, dash, or semicolon, you would simply replace the delimiter inside the quotation marks to match your data. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.